Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now the question here is, construct the right angle triangle PQR where angle M is 9, where angle Q is 90 degrees, QR is 8 centimeters and PR is 10 centimeters. So first of all we have to draw a rough sketch. Let's say this is right angle triangle and it is right angled at Q. Then let's take this as P and this as R. And QR is given as 8 centimeters. This angle is 90 degree and PR is given as 10 centimeters. So now we have to construct the actual triangle. This is just a rough sketch of the triangle. This will help us in constructing the triangle. So this time the first step is draw a line segment QR of length 8 centimeters. So let's say here is the length. So let's say this is the line segment QR of length 8 centimeters. Now the next step is construct 90 degree angle at Q. So here we have to construct a 90 degree angle. We know how to construct 90 degree angle. So this is 90 degree angle at Q. We can name this point as X. Let's say here is point X. Now the next step is we need PR to be 10 centimeters. So what we have to do for that? With R as a center and radius 10 centimeters, we have to make an arc intersecting QX at P. So this point here is P. And in the steps of construction we will write the same thing. With R as a center and radius 10 centimeters, make an arc intersecting QX at P. So this is the third step of construction. Now we are left with only one step, that is joining P and R. In the steps of construction we will write join PR. Now we are ready with the triangle PQR, which is right angled at Q, that is angle Q is 90 degrees and QR is 8 centimeters and PR is 10 centimeters. So we are done with the construction now. Now let's move to the next question. Now here is the next question. The question is, construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 cm long and one of the leg is 4 cm long. So here what we need a right angle triangle. Let's say this is the right angle triangle ABC and it is right angled at B, and hypotenuse to be 6 centimeters and one of the leg as 4 centimeters. So let's say AC, the hypotenuse is 6 centimeters and one of the leg, which is BC, is 4 centimeters. So this is the rough sketch of the required triangle. Now we have to draw a actual triangle. Now how we can construct this triangle? The first thing we need is a line segment BC of length 4 centimeters. In the steps of construction we will write draw a line segment BC of length 4 centimeters. Now the next step is angle B to be 90 degrees. So here we have to construct a 90 degree angle. And in the steps of construction also we will write construct a 90 degree angle at B such that XBC is equal to 90 degrees. That is, this angle is 90 degrees. Now we need CA to be 6 centimeters, that is hypotenuse to be 6 centimeters. For that what we have to do? We have to make an arc with C as a center and radius 6 centimeters intersecting BX at any point A. Let's say this point here is A. In the steps of construction we will write the same thing. Make an arc with C as a center and radius 6 centimeters intersecting BX at A. So now we got the vertex A also. Now we are left with only one step, that is join AC. This is the last step of construction, that is join AC. So now here we are ready with the triangle ABC, or we are ready with the triangle which is right angled at B and hypotenuse is 6 centimeters, that is this length is 6 centimeters and one of the leg is 4 centimeters. So we are done with the construction now. Now let's move to the next question. Now here is the last question of this session. The question is, construct an isosceles triangle ABC with measurement of angle ACB as 90 degrees and AC to be 6 centimeters. So here let's draw a rough sketch of this triangle first. We need a isosceles triangle and angle C to be 6 centimeters. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to draw AC. So let's say we are drawing AC like this. AC is 6 centimeters and what else is given? Angle ACB to be 90 degrees. That is, this angle here is 90 degrees. Let's say this is vertex B. Now join AB. This is the rough sketch of the triangle ABC, which is right angled at C. That is, angle ACB is 90 degrees and this has to be isosceles triangle. Now when it will be isosceles, we know in an isosceles triangle two of the side lengths are equal. Now in right angle triangle, we know hypotenuse cannot be equal to any of the leg because hypotenuse is the largest side of the right angle triangle. So it means AC has to be equal to BC. So we need BC to be 6 centimeters. So here BC has to be 6 centimeters. Now one thing is, for constructing such a triangle, what we can do, first we can find AB and then by RHS criteria we can construct this. Or what we can do, we can simply construct this by SAS. So let's do it by that method. So here we have to construct this triangle. For that, what we need first of all, we need a line segment AC of length 6 centimeters. So here is AC of length 6 centimeters. Now the next step is angle ACB to be 90 degrees. So it means in the steps of construction we will write construct an angle of 90 degrees at C such that ACX is 90 degrees. That is, this angle is 90 degrees. This is the second step of construction. Now the next step of construction, what we have to do now, we know BC is 6 centimeters. So what we have to do for that, we have to make an arc with C as a center and radius 6 centimeters intersecting CX at B like this. So here is the point B or the vertex B of triangle ABC, and in the steps of construction we will write with C as a center, make an arc of radius 6 centimeters intersecting CX at B. Now we are just one step away from the construction of triangle ABC. That is, we have to join A and B, and in the steps of construction we will write join AB. So now we are ready with the triangle ABC in which AC is 6 centimeters and BC is also 6 centimeters, which implies that the triangle ABC is right angled at C and it is isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. So here we have constructed one triangle ABC which is right angle triangle and it is an isosceles triangle. So we are done with the construction now.